In today's session, let us understand certain characteristics of entrepreneurship. Now, we say that entrepreneurship is a dynamic force. What is the reason? Let us try to understand. So, what's the job of an entrepreneur? To see the challenges, to see the issues, and to get innovative ideas and solutions for those problems. So, that problem that he or she is seeing may be related to society or community or to a particular place or a situation. So in those kind of situation, he or she develops a business module and then starts executing that. So these set of activities that they do, obviously they're economic activities, and these activities are focused on creation of wealth and value for the organization. Now, whenever such a plan is getting executed or whenever such a business model is getting executed, it has to be planned in a certain way. If the proper planning is not done, then whatever the entrepreneur has thought of will not work successfully. So all the operations are planned in such a way that it ensures optimum utilization of all the available resources that an entrepreneur has at a particular place and time. Now, the next concept is which one? So in this kind of scenario, there is a constant threat of risk and new situations coming up. So what is a thing that we can understand? We can say that this entire system works on uncertainty and has to adapt to constant challenges. So because of its nature of constant changing and unprecedented risks that is associated with the business model, we can say that entrepreneurship is a dynamic force because it is changing every day, every second, every hour. So, and the entrepreneur also has to look into these scenarios and they have to change their plans and bring about new strategies to make their model work. So that is why we can say that entrepreneurship is a dynamic force. The next one, why entrepreneurship is a continuous innovation process. Now, innovation is the key to success for any business model. But for entrepreneur, it is double the effect because if he or she does not innovate or think of new ideas, they cannot survive in the competitive market. So entrepreneurship looks for new and viable ideas. It encourages regular review and analysis of the process and their outcomes. So such a system leads to what type of system? Innovative idea system and improvements in the existing modes of business operation. So entrepreneurship is said to have what kind of innovation? Continuous innovation. It may be weekly review or monthly review or yearly review. Based on those reviews, entrepreneur has to take quick decisions and implement those quick ideas so that they stay in the market. So we can say that one of the important characteristics of entrepreneurship is it is having continuous innovative concept. Let us go to the next one now. There is an opportunity and potential growth for profits. There is an opportunity, lot of opportunities come for an entrepreneur for potential growth and profits. So why is this happening? This is because due to constant innovations and improvements in the process, accepting more challenges and delivering in better ways and dynamically learning with the ongoing process and outcomes, entrepreneurial entity has more potential for further growth and return on investments as compared to traditional businesses. So if we compare the traditional businesses, there is a preset model on which it works. But for an entrepreneur, it is not so. He has to constantly innovate, bring about new ideas, improve the skill of the employees and himself also. And they should be ready to accept the challenges, see the situations, and then they can turn around to make it as a growth and profit-making organization. So these are some of the important characteristics. Some more are, it is now taking and tolerating risk is also very important. So what are the challenges that an entrepreneur has to face in his or her life? That is, first most important thing is taking risk. At any point of time, they should have that guts or the willpower to take risk and face any adverse situations. They should be able to motivate their employees also. Then they should be able to see problems and think of solutions for them. and tolerating the problems and challenges. So that is also very important. If one gives up that they cannot bear the problems, then they are not eligible to become an entrepreneur. So what are the qualities an entrepreneur should have? The person should be poised. They should be patient. They should have perseverance. They should be highly enthusiastic, very, very careful and optimistic. Careful, enthusiastic, optimistic. They are covering a broad range of qualities a person should have. Why? Because there are extreme ends to entrepreneurship. One is very high and one is very low. In order to manage these two broad bands of spectrum of situations in one's life, a person or an entrepreneur should be patient, should have perseverance, should be poised, should be enthusiastic, because at high they should show the enthusiasm, even at low point also they should show enthusiasm. And they should be careful. They should be able to judge the situation and always remain optimistic. If they are optimistic, then the people around them are optimistic. Then only they can bring the change that they are supposed to bring in the society and the community. That's it for today's session. More coming up in the next session. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.